From a 50 liters of 2:3 milk and water solution, how much should be removed and replaced with water so that the resultant solution contains 1:1 milk and water? Now let's understand this thing. You have got 50 liters of the solution, 50 liters of the solution, and you have got 2:3 milk and water. That means 2/3 of 50, 2/5 of 50 will be the quantity of milk, and what will be the quantity of water? That's going to be 3/5 of 50. Now that's going to be equal to 20. That's going to be equal to 20 over here, and that's going to be equal to 30 over here. From this, you wish to remove water. From this, you need to replace this with water, certain amount. So suppose I'm removing X and I'm adding X liters of water to this. So finally, what do I want? I want 1:1 milk and water. This quantity will be 50 liters. So 1:1 means equal quantity of milk and water. So this quantity will be 25 and this quantity will be 25. Quantity of milk and quantity of water. Now let us understand what is exactly happening on this question. To start with, you have got 20 liters of milk and you are adding water to this. So how can the quantity of milk increase? That means to do this, you cannot replace it with water. You will have to replace it with milk so that the quantity of milk will increase. And that is only when you will have 1:1. So the answer for this question will be none of these. It is not possible to do this when you are replacing it with water.